Hello, my dude. Let's be honest with ourselves. No one's biggest dream is to be a factory worker. So the fact that artificial intelligence and robots may eliminate low-skilled jobs is not a big problem for our dreams. But what if I told you it could be the beginning of the best economic era for humans in history? Today, most of us can't afford many things, but in the future, everyone may be able to afford everything they want. They could live a life that feels like heaven. Yes, I'm not joking. Maybe developing the most powerful AI systems requires enormous amounts of computing power and billions of dollars in investment, so only huge companies can compete, and that could create the greatest age of inequality, meaning many people could lose their jobs. But then, capitalism has a huge problem. Capitalism doesn't just need companies that produce things. It also needs consumers who can afford to buy them. And this is where we encounter the capitalism paradox. And what the hell is that? I'll explain. Just be patient. If this scenario happens, we could make an increasingly large part of production independent of human labor. In the past, machines increased the physical power of human beings. During the Industrial Revolution, a machine could do work that would have required hundreds of people, and it could do it much faster. But this time is very different. The scalability of production could reach an unprecedented level. Imagine that you pay the cost of producing a robot once. After that, the robot can work 24 hours a day. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't demand a salary, and it requires very little maintenance. And on top of that, it can be used to produce more robots. Of course, this system wouldn't be completely free. We would still need energy, raw materials, maintenance, factories, and infrastructure. But as these things become increasingly automated and cheaper, the marginal cost of production could fall far below today's levels. And this is where the capitalism paradox emerges. Because in a capitalist system, people work, they earn income, they consume, other people produce. But what happens in a world where we need fewer and fewer people to actually produce things? Imagine that factories are almost entirely operated by robots. At the same time, millions, and perhaps eventually billions, of people no longer have a regular job. It isn't enough for an economy to have the ability to produce an incredible amount of goods using millions of robots. Those goods still need to be purchased by someone, and here's the most interesting part. Artificial intelligence doesn't necessarily have to destroy capitalism. But under these conditions, we may need to change the rules of capitalism. Maybe people won't work as much as they do today. Maybe the cost of basic necessities will become extremely low. Maybe systems that provide people with direct income will emerge. Maybe work won't disappear completely. Instead, the amount of time people are required to work could decrease dramatically. If technology really does continue to reduce the cost of production and the need for human labor, the biggest economic question of the future might be, what happens when society no longer needs people to work in order to produce its wealth, and how do we distribute that wealth? And maybe that's the real question we should be asking when we talk about the future of artificial intelligence. Don't forget, we can't find a definitive answer to the main question. AI could make our lives incredibly better, but it could also turn our lives into hell. About the Industrial Revolution, no one could have predicted that office jobs would eventually help solve the unemployment caused by the Industrial Revolution. We are only able to look back and interpret what happened there a few hundred years later. Now, it's your turn. I want to know your thoughts. Let's talk about it in the comments. Take care, my dude.